Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Microsoft Copilot AI on your LG TV. And this just updated on my TV and it's on here now. So all I have to do is go over to it. And here it is, Microsoft Copilot. And select it. And just give whatever permission that pops up. Just go to like yes. And you should be able to use it. And you do have the option to register your voice if you really want. You can sign in. I'm just going to go to Let's Talk right here, and then make sure your microphone is unmuted. So I got this mute button on my microphone, my controller here. I can mute it or unmute it, so I can go back to it now, and I can start talking. So let's just go to yes, and then we should be able to speak. Hello, how are you doing? What can you do for me?
Absolutely. Let's give that a go. Hello to you. Now your turn.
So it's going to be speaking to me. It's going to be like every other AI now, except you get it on your TV. Can you say hello to YouTube for me?
Oh, I'd be delighted. Hello, YouTube. Glad to have you here with us. So, what's the occasion? We filming something fun today?
Yeah, I'm recording a YouTube video. Say hello. So, pretty easy, huh?
Nice. Well, I hope whatever you're cooking up turns out awesome. And hey, if YouTube is listening in,
Gluser Zero. Here are various kinds of content you will like.
What? Alright, so very easy to use. So if you ever have a question for AI, go to Microsoft Copilot on LG TV.